Hello, and welcome to the first public demo of Static Analyzer 1.0 by Trusted Advisor Security. In this demo, we'll be seeing the Yaska module, which once you have it installed, you can click on the Yaska icon and see this scan source code form. We're going to start out with, and we're going to choose a file, and we're going to select a source code zip file. We're going to click open, and we're going to click upload. This is going to upload the contents to the Static Analyzer database, where it will be picked out by a scheduled job, which we will start right now. The scheduled job simply pulls it out, executes Yaska on it, and throws the results back into that database. Once that's complete, if you click refresh, you should see that there are 256 findings and that this job is executed in about 4 seconds. So the advantage of this is that you don't have to actually have Yaska installed on the end user system. You can have everything on a central server. You can also maintain and store the scan results in a controlled manner. This is an option for larger enterprises or those seeking to initiate a more structured source code scanning and software assurance program. So these scan results, you can download the contents that were originally uploaded. These three icons, you can view the contents, rescan them, or delete them. If you click the first icon, which is to view the report, you see the familiar Yaska report format. Rescanning the result will simply have it be re-executed at the next scheduled job, and deleting the result will remove that line and all content from the database. The other way of executing Yaska here is to enter a subversion URL. Subversion URL it has to be it does not authenticate, so it has to be a publicly accessible URL. And so you enter that, and you click upload. And what it's doing behind the scenes is it's using a subversion client to go out and grab the contents and bring it back and tar it up as a file called svn file.tar. This usually takes, depending on the size of the repository, anywhere between 5 and perhaps 30 seconds. Okay, so SVN file has been uploaded, and as you can see, you can't the report and rescanning is not available because it hasn't been scanned the first time. So we're going to go ahead and start the scan job again. Scan job will execute, also taking a few seconds, and then we can click refresh, and we'll see that the SVN file also has 256 results, which should match exactly the Yaska sample test because it's taken from the same the same actual files. So this is the initial demo of Static Analyzer. There are a number of features that we'll be adding in the coming weeks, including LDAP authentication, which is where the notification will tie into. So as soon as the scan result completes, the submitter will receive an email. We'll also be having a web service API so that you'll be able to submit files through an Ant script or anything else like that, and then receive the results back. So we'll be turning this into a rather flexible platform. Yaska is the first module that we'll be integrating, but we will be looking to integrate others into the same basic framework. We'll also be adding more granular options in terms of the severity to report off of, and things like that. So Static Analyzer 1.0 is currently available from Trusted Advisor Security at tasecuritygroup.com. Thank you very much.